DJA TV.
Are you aware, Mr. Honorable Minister, of the $11.1 billion on Nigerian Coastal Railway project that was signed on 1st of July 2016?
Has the loan been approved? Okay. Mr. Chairman.
I just want to intimate.
Mr. Chairman,
yeah, I'm coming. Can you allow me, please? You see, it's a friendly discussion. I didn't put you on oath.
Not me. If you are friendly, you won't put her on oath.
Yeah. Please, can you put the Honorable Minister on oath?
Yeah.
Now, the contractor further covenants that it shall give priority to the engagement of Nigerian commercial firms and companies for the supply of goods and materials and all other works. Can you provide us with evidence and records of Nigerian commercial firms and companies currently being engaged and providing services of this project?
It's important, I tell you, sir, that contract, we may not get the loan because of you, Mr. Chairman, because of the committee you've set up against the China loan. South-South, that contract is from Lagos to Calabar, which is the whole of the South-South. Mr. Chairman, we may not get that loan, so there's no contract.
I am talking about the same contract you told me of this particular...
Which of them? The 2016 contract you talked about?
Yes. This one.
Which of them? If you're talking about the South-South, you just ask me. You want to meet the South-South contract?
Virtually all the contracts.
Do you want to meet the South-South contract? If you want to meet, say you want to meet it, let's go to the other one.
Can you listen to me? Follow me. We're not quarreling.
Because you're from South-South. The committee you have set up,
which your question
we will lose that contract from Lagos to Calabar.
And I'm serving Nigeria as a legislator. If we continue to serve our geopolitical zone, this country will not be nice. If Zone A gets their fair share, and next year...
Have you not approached me on South-South? Have you not approached me on South-South Rail? Have you not approached me on South-South Rail?
I have not.
You have?
I have not.
Mr. Chairman, you have approached me.
It's okay. It's okay, it's okay. We will not degenerate the issue to South-South or any other South.
Have you not approached me on...
It's okay. Temper. Talking today is the issue that concerns Nigeria. My priority as this committee chairman is to make sure any area we are taking rail is viable and it will promote the economic activities of Nigeria and bring about a multiplier effect. That's my concern and that's my philosophy, irrespective of any area you push any rail to. I'm a Nigerian and I believe in Nigerian spirit. Now, my question is to all the projects. Oh, now you're handling. The contract further covenant that it shall give priority to engagement of Nigerian commercial firms and companies for the supply of goods and materials and all other works. Can you diligently provide us with evidence and records of Nigerian commercial firms and companies currently being engaged and providing services on these projects?
Which of the contracts?
On these projects.
Which of the projects?
Any of the one.
You read one on Coastal
Any
Rail.
of the one I've listed, even including your Lagos one.
Okay, so let's start with Coastal Rail. There is no contract on Coastal Rail.
It's okay.
What I mean by there is no contract is until you get the loan, there is no contract.
It's okay.
And the implication is that we may not get the loan, so there will be no contract.
It's okay.
Okay. He will supply us at the end of the contract.
Did you sign this agreement on this commercial contract with your ministry signed with the contractor?
First is that the contract was in existence under Obasanjo. All we did is sign the contract that was given under Obasanjo's regime. But that's not the issue. If you want the documents of the sublet contract, we will give it to you tomorrow, sir.
No problem.
Thank you, sir.
The committee agree on that. Those documents will be provided because it's not available now. That is good.
DJ LTV.
In my dear foolishness, sir, I have said here to the House, and it's a pity I'm saying in public, this government outside Nigeria, they are sensitive to what you say. Nobody's stopping you for investigation. No government outside Nigeria or Nigeria can stop you for investigation. We are saying that if Nigeria has applied for 3 loans already, 3, Port Harcourt Maiduguri, the Minister of Finance told me here that she was stopped and told that the next borrowing plan will not have to be approved unless we get Port Harcourt Maiduguri. Port Harcourt Maiduguri goes through the southeast and the northeast. The only south town in Port Harcourt Maiduguri is Port Harcourt. We're about to apply for loan. They will not grant that loan. Then you summon us back to the House and say, why are we constructing Lagos Kano and we're not constructing Port Harcourt Maiduguri? The appeal I was making initially was, can we be allowed to get this loan? Then you can summon us. Not to start what you're doing and the whole process would then be stopped. Because even me...
Can I refer you to a law enacted by this country? I refer to this Establishment Act, Section 21. No external loan shall be approved or obtained by the minister unless in terms and conditions shall have been laid before the National Assembly and approved by his resolutions. These are laws of this country.
Chairman, if you allow me speak.
Please go ahead.
There is no loan
I can tell you
taken by this government that is not approved by this House.
And you brought,
so why are you putting
brought all the conditions?
There's no document to send. There's no document to sign in China. That's not brought before.
Remember, you are seeing it now.
No, before the Senate committee.
We're talking about House of Rep.
The law says to the Senate committee who approves it.
The law didn't say us.
No. The Senate committee that approves international loans demand for all these documents. And
where is the law that says so? Can you refer me to it?
Chairman, I therefore keep quiet. Because you're
no, can you refer me to that law?
You're both chairman and minister for transport. Since I can't speak, then you do the speaking.
No, I don't think so.
I'll do the listening.
No, see, listen. I've always availed time for you to defend that you refer to a law that mandates Senate committee. I say, show us the law.
Chairman, the Senate committee required us in applying for the documents. And he said the National Assembly must approve. I said we furnish in that Senate committee with all the available documents that is needed for which the Senate approved the loans. So there's nowhere in this country that an international or even local loan will be approved, will be taken without the approval of the National Assembly. It will not happen. It is against the law. I continue to tell you this, Mr. Chairman, that there is no day until I die that I will disrespect this House. Because I was one speaker. Now, Mr. Chairman, in responding to him, I had said to you that my fear is that at the end of the day, some sections of this country will suffer if they stop giving us loan. Two more projects that will suffer. The first one is Lagos Ibadan. Have we finished Lagos Ibadan? They've not finished its busing. We are asking for a loan to commence work from Ibadan to Kano. And the day they say, oh, look, the government is not supporting the loans people are taking, we are no longer giving you. That is the end of the project. I completely concede to you, Chairman, and to the House of your power to investigate, to oversight the executive. But in oversighting the executive, there's what is called national interest. Mr. Chairman, you don't suffer the pressure I suffer when I travel down east, and I'm being told that we're not doing any railway in the east. Again, Mr. Chairman, the economy of this country can only be propelled by transportation. And the roads are not being completely fixed because there are too many. Therefore, the emphasis of the government is to fix the railways. So, no problems. I only sought approval that, look, we don't mind these investigations. Can we shift it to December, January, when we would have possibly gotten these loans? Once we get these loans, Chairman, turn me upside down, I will answer you.
DJ LTV. DJ LTV.
People and people don't say no, they don't like us. Welcome to DJ LTV.
DJ LTV. DJ LTV. DJ LTV. DJ JTV.
some of the delegates and ask them questions.
DJ JTV. DJ JTV. DJ JTV. DJ JTV.